Yeah, okay, so more metal work on the truck. So we'll look at it when we got to go. But yeah, what I didn't show you earlier is I fixed this piece here as well, and here, and the back side of it around there. So I still got that one to do. So like I said, it's should be good then. Like I said, I'll just get the back of them done first, mount the door onto it, and then we got to straighten the front. So yeah, so we haven't touched anything around here. Took the door off it, or the hinge part of it. So yeah, we'll work on this piece over here next, and the other side. Get it looking like this, and pretty much gotta get the doors fixed and hang the doors. So actually this side here is a little better than the other side, which is good. So anyway, we just got a line here, come down here, a line over here, and we're just going to take the two pieces out, and see can we drop a template and see can we get it in there. Okay, let's cut them out and have a look. Okay, so we get that done, and so as you can see, we opened it up, a little bit of rust there. So take out that piece that we get off, and we'll have a little look. On the last one, I actually replaced all this. So I'll clean it all up and see what's good there. And if it's solid, we'll use it. If not, we'll just cut it out and make a piece for it. Okay, so we've cleaned up or cut out what we have cut out of there. And that's as high as that goes anyway. So we're going to make a template like there, and we'll fold this edge here. Then there's only work on this piece and the back piece. So you can see it does fit pretty good. So yeah, so that's all we're going to do with it. I'm just going to straighten up what's there, and weld to it, and hopefully, well, hopefully anyway, should straighten the truck up pretty good. Okay, so the template turns to that, and we roll the edge. So you see we had that line made for extra. So put that in right there. It'll fit down there and go up in there. Go around the back, tap that in a bit more now, and we'll weld that into place. Yeah, so a little more done. This piece put in now. Got to grind off this, and we got to make this piece here. So look at it. Yeah, so basically it's like arts and crafts. Cut a bit, weld a bit, grind a bit. So anyway, we'll clean that off, and we'll get the next piece made. Okay, so it's cleaned up a little bit there now. So have a look at it. It's pretty good. Yeah, so anyway, that's we have the back door post done, and we have the back of the cab. Now, the finished welding is now done on the back of the cab, but you know, we'll get at that in a little bit. Not sure how much big wire I had there, so I just rather keep moving on instead of just filling all that and grinding it all I'm going to move on to something else and I ran out. Anyway, yeah, so it's looking good. So the next job is now would be to move on to the doors. Fix my doors and then just hang it into space. Yeah, so that's it for today, and we'll be moving on to some more stuff with the tractor now shortly. So if you like what you see here, consider subscribing, and there's a lot more stuff to come. Obviously there's going to be a full build on this truck, and yeah, that thing again. So until next time, this is Bernie, and we'll see you then.